Hello, everybody! It's your favorite creepy-looking blue train with a face. And today, on this new and improved channel, we're gonna be doing something completely different. A top 10 list! Ooh, what is it gonna be about?
Well, recently Percy has been having a really bad case of the hiccups.
No, I don't! Yeah, this is why we have to do this top 10 list. Number 10. How about you try sucking them out?
How the heck are you gonna do that?
Easy. Like this. But if that didn't work, then you can try punching them out. Please, don't do it. I'm begging you. But if you're not already in pain at this point, then just try shaking them out.
Hey, what are you doing?
Don't you like that idea? Well, how about you try giving them a cookie?
Duh, I'll take this if you don't mind.
Okay, so if you don't want to be barfed on by somebody, you might want to try slapping them out.
Slapping them out!
Yeah, that's what happens, man. Oh my god, yeah, that's what happens.
Number 5 is extremely easy. All you have to do is just simply burp them out. For number 4, all you have to do is just simply hold your breath.
I can't do that.
Just move on to number 3, which is taking a nap.
I'm not tired.
Well, for number 2, all you have to do is just, drink some water.
I'm not really thirsty, though.
Well, all we have to do for number 1 is just show you this nice, calming video.
Duh, okay.
And that, my friends, is the top 10 ways to get rid of hiccups.